Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we'll be navigating into Device Care and find Storage. Now in Storage, by default the phone will pick the storage of the phone, or tablet in this case, so make sure you swipe to the left, and this will now be showing you your SD card. You can see it's labeled right here. Once this is selected, you can click on the three dots right here. There we go. And select Format. Gives you a pop-up, Format SD card. Everything on this SD card will be erased. I'm going to click on Format. Give it a moment. It will disappear right here, as you can see, while it's formatting. And once it's done, give it a second and it should show up. As you can see, there it is. So, that's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.